In this quick top echelon guide, I'm going to show you how to set up email notifications so you never miss important updates or alerts again. Whether you're new to top echelon or just need a refresher, this video will help you get the most out of your account. Stick around until the end for an exclusive bonus offer to use the software completely free. When you first log into top echelon, head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This is where you'll manage your notifications and email preferences. The email notification settings in top echelon are critical for staying on top of new job orders, candidate activity, and searches, especially if you're working with a large pool of leads or clients. By tailoring these notifications, you can ensure you're alerted only for what matters most to you. Next, click on Email Notifications from the left-hand menu. You'll see a series of options for different alerts you can enable or disable, ranging from updates on new job orders to candidate changes, system messages, and match alerts. Take your time to go through the available options. For example, if you're focused on client activity, enable notifications for job order changes or candidate status updates. One of the most important things to set up is your search alerts. Top Echelon allows you to receive emails based on new matches for your searches, so you can quickly react when a promising lead or candidate enters the system. Simply go to the Search Alerts section, choose the search criteria that matter to you, and select how often you want to receive email updates. This is a great way to automate a lot of the work and save time while ensuring you don't miss opportunities. Another feature that can improve your workflow is the job alert notification. This allows you to get notified when new job orders are posted that match your criteria. It's an essential setting if you're looking to stay proactive and up to date on available roles that you can fill for your clients. You can fine-tune these alerts by setting frequency preferences, whether you want to receive them instantly, daily, or weekly. Now let's talk about how to personalize your alerts even further. Under Advanced Settings, you can choose to receive different notifications for different activities. For instance, you can enable notifications for activities such as client communications or changes in the system, but disable updates for less critical tasks. This will give you full control over the type of email notifications you get without feeling overwhelmed by constant updates. Don't forget to save your settings. Once you've selected all your preferences, be sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply everything. To make your life even easier, you can also manage notifications through the mobile app, which will sync seamlessly with your settings. This way, whether you're in the office or on the go, you can stay connected with what's happening in Top Echelon. Before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can use Top Echelon for completely free with our exclusive bonus offer through the first link below. This offer gives you extended access to everything this powerful tool has to offer, so you can test out all the features, including email notifications, without any cost or commitment. By customizing your email alerts in Top Echelon, you're not just staying organized, you're ensuring that you'll never miss an opportunity or crucial update again. Whether it's new job postings, candidate activity, or system updates, your notifications will be tailored to keep you in the loop. And remember, the link in the description below gets you a special extended free trial to experience all of this for yourself. Thanks for watching and happy recruiting.